Today I am going to show you how to create this text effect in Canva. So let's start. Go on social media section and select Instagram post square page. After that, go on uploads section and take your image here and drag this to background. Don't click on three dot and set image as background. You have to not do this. Just drag it to the background. After that, duplicate this image and go on edit image and select busy remover. This will remove your image background. Okay, so now you can see that background mover have removed your second image background. You have to make sure that this is looking just one picture and go on the text section, add the text and write your text here. So I am adding here my name. So my name is Usman, so that's why I'm adding here, and increase the size, adjust this. Okay, so your text should be visible, so that's why I'm changing my text color to white. And after that, again duplicate the text and make it same and go on effects section, click hollow and do the thickness low, decrease thickness. After that, go on the position, go on the layers and select the bold text and behind of your background moved image. So your text effect is ready. And if you want to adjust this, so you have to go on position and select these two. Don't make a group of these, and you can drag it down and you can drag it up. So you can see that this is making transparent text where you can like this. So this is making your text transparent. So I hope you liked today's tutorial. Subscribe to learn more.